So we're being asked here to reflect this shape, ABC. It's a triangle across x equals 2. So the first step is to identify where x equals 2 is. So obviously x, it involves the x-axis. So we'll be looking here, and we have to find 2. So if we look along the x-axis, we find 2 here. So that's the easy bit. And then we just have to draw the line of reflection. And the line of reflection is a straight line, and it has to pass through x equals 2 at 90 degrees. So obviously it's going to be a straight up and down line that looks like this. And that is, I might as well label it, this is x equals 2. So now forget about the x-axis, forget about the y-axis. We only care about x equals 2 because that's our line of reflection for this problem. So now I just have to reflect each of these points in x equals 2 and draw the image and then label the image. So I'm going to start with point A. So how many steps does it take me from point A to reach x equals 2? So 1, 2, 3. So I just do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And this gives me A dash. B is right on the line of reflection, so it doesn't move. That is also the location of B dash. And C, one step this way as well, and that becomes the new location for C dash. So I've plotted all the points, A dash, B dash, C dash. All that remains now is for me to draw the new shape, so link all those points up. And that is the reflection of triangle ABC, A dash, B dash, and C dash. Done.